Hello, my name is Julinho Alexandro Cowper Sajami. I am Peruvian and I live in the city of Huancay. I am 28 years old and I like to play soccer. My favorite food is lomo saltado and I love going to the gym. I am studying lab. In the evenings I like to stay home and enjoy a movie. I live alone and I love to meet new people and become good friends. My email address is cowper123@gmail.com. I am Policia. My favorite genres of music is Latin folk. Thank you very much.